If you're over 60 and you believe muscle growth is no longer possible, especially while you sleep, then this video might completely change how you think about your body and your dinner plate tonight. Here's a shocking truth that most seniors are never told. Your muscles don't grow in the gym, they don't grow during walks, and they don't even grow during the day. They grow at night while you're asleep. And what you eat in the final hours before bed can either help rebuild your muscles or quietly accelerate muscle loss while you rest. Many older adults are unknowingly sabotaging their muscle health every single night, not because they aren't trying hard enough, but because no one explained what bedtime nutrition really does after 60. So the question is this: are the foods you're eating before bed helping you stay strong, independent, and steady on your feet, or are they slowly weakening your muscles while you sleep? Stay with me, because today I'm going to share 4 simple bedtime foods that can support muscle growth, recovery, and strength in seniors without supplements, without extreme diets, and without complicated rules. As we get older, muscle loss, known medically as sarcopenia, becomes one of the biggest threats to independence. Starting around age 40, we naturally lose muscle every decade, and after 60, that loss can accelerate quickly if we're not careful. This is why simple activities like standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries start to feel harder. What many people don't realize is that this muscle loss is not just about aging. It's heavily influenced by nutrition timing. At night, while you sleep, your body enters a repair and rebuilding phase. Hormones like growth hormone are released. Tissues are repaired, and muscles respond to the nutrients available in your bloodstream. If your body doesn't have the right building blocks at that time, it will break down muscle instead of rebuilding it. That's why bedtime nutrition becomes incredibly important after 60. Now, before we talk about the specific foods, let's clear up a common myth. Many seniors are told not to eat before bed because it will cause weight gain or digestive problems. While heavy, sugary, or ultra-processed foods late at night can be harmful, the right small, balanced bedtime snack can actually improve muscle health, stabilize blood sugar, and even support better sleep. The key is choosing foods that digest slowly, provide high-quality protein, and support muscle repair without spiking insulin or causing discomfort. The first bedtime food that can support muscle growth after 60 is cottage cheese. This may sound simple, but cottage cheese is one of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods you can eat at night. The reason lies in a type of protein called casein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This is exactly what your muscles need while you sleep. Instead of a quick spike and drop in protein availability, casein provides a steady stream of muscle-building nutrients throughout the night. Research has shown that consuming casein protein before bed can increase overnight muscle protein synthesis, even in older adults. Cottage cheese is also rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a critical role in triggering muscle growth. For seniors, this is especially important because aging muscles become less responsive to protein, a condition known as anabolic resistance. Leucine helps overcome that resistance. A small bowl of cottage cheese, about half a cup to 1 cup depending on your appetite, is usually enough. You don't need to overeat. If plain cottage cheese doesn't appeal to you, you can add a few slices of berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Just avoid adding sugar or honey at night. Cottage cheese is also relatively low in calories and carbohydrates, making it ideal for evening consumption without disrupting blood sugar or sleep. The second bedtime food that supports muscle growth is Greek yogurt, particularly plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. Like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt is high in protein and contains casein, but it also includes whey protein, which digests a bit faster. This combination provides both immediate and sustained amino acid delivery. For older adults, Greek yogurt also offers another major benefit: calcium and probiotics. Calcium plays a role in muscle contraction and bone strength, while probiotics support gut health. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Another advantage of Greek yogurt is its versatility and ease of digestion. Many seniors tolerate it better than heavier foods. A small serving before bed can help prevent nighttime muscle breakdown and reduce morning stiffness. If you're lactose sensitive, choose a lactose-free Greek yogurt or a plant-based version fortified with protein and calcium, but always check the label to ensure it actually contains sufficient protein. Aim for at least 10 to 15 grams of protein in your bedtime portion. Now, let's move to the third bedtime food, which surprises many people: eggs, specifically hard-boiled or lightly cooked eggs. Eggs are often thought of as a breakfast food, but nutritionally, they are excellent at night. Eggs contain complete protein, meaning they provide all essential amino acids your muscles need. They are also rich in leucine, vitamin D, and B vitamins, all of which support muscle function and repair. Vitamin D is especially important for seniors because deficiency is common and linked to muscle weakness and falls. Eating 1 or 2 eggs before bed can provide a compact, easy to digest source of protein without excess volume. Hard-boiled eggs are particularly convenient and gentle on the stomach. If you're concerned about cholesterol, current research shows that for most people, moderate egg consumption does not significantly increase cardiovascular risk. However, if you've been advised by your doctor to limit eggs, you should follow that guidance. Eggs also have another subtle benefit at night. They help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can prevent nighttime awakenings caused by blood sugar drops. Better sleep means better muscle recovery. Sleep quality and muscle health are deeply connected, especially after 60. The fourth bedtime food that supports muscle growth is a small handful of nuts, especially almonds or walnuts, paired with a protein source. Nuts alone are not high in protein compared to animal foods, but they provide healthy fats, magnesium, and calories that support muscle recovery and hormone balance. Magnesium plays a role in muscle relaxation, nerve function, and sleep quality. Many older adults are deficient in magnesium, which can contribute to muscle cramps, weakness, and poor sleep. Walnuts also contain omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the reasons muscle recovery slows with age. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can improve the muscle's response to protein and exercise. A small portion, about 1/4 of a handful, is enough. Nuts are calorie-dense, so portion control matters. When paired with a protein source like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, nuts create a balanced bedtime snack that supports muscle repair without overloading digestion. Now that we've talked about what to eat, it's just as important to talk about what not to eat before bed if your goal is muscle preservation and growth. Sugary snacks, desserts, and refined carbohydrates late at night can spike insulin and disrupt growth hormone release. Growth hormone is one of the key drivers of muscle repair during sleep, and high blood sugar can suppress it. Alcohol before bed is another major problem. While it may make you feel sleepy, alcohol interferes with deep sleep and significantly reduces muscle protein synthesis. Over time, this can accelerate muscle loss. Another common mistake seniors make is skipping dinner or going to bed hungry in an attempt to control weight. While calorie balance is important, chronic under-eating is one of the fastest ways to lose muscle after 60. Your body needs sufficient protein and energy to maintain muscle mass. Going to bed hungry sends a signal to the body to conserve energy, often by breaking down muscle tissue. A light protein-rich bedtime snack can prevent this. Timing also matters. Ideally, your bedtime snack should be eaten about 30 to 90 minutes before sleep. This gives your body time to begin digestion without causing discomfort. You don't need a large meal. Think of it as nutritional insurance for your muscles overnight. Consistency is more important than quantity. A small, chosen snack every night can make a meaningful difference over time. It's also important to remember that bedtime foods work best when combined with some form of regular movement or resistance activity during the day. You don't need heavy weights. Simple bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or even chair-based strength movements can stimulate muscle tissue. The bedtime nutrition then provides the raw materials your body needs to repair and strengthen those muscles. Without that stimulus, nutrition alone can't fully prevent muscle loss, but together, they are powerful. Hydration is another often overlooked factor. Mild dehydration can impair muscle function and recovery. Make sure you're drinking enough fluids throughout the day, but try to reduce large amounts of liquid right before bed to avoid nighttime bathroom trips that disrupt sleep. Sleep quality, again, is essential. Muscles repair most efficiently during deep sleep stages. Creating a calm bedtime routine, limiting screen exposure, and keeping a consistent sleep schedule all support this process. You might be wondering how long it takes to see results. While everyone is different, many seniors notice improvements in strength, energy, and morning stiffness within a few weeks of improving bedtime nutrition. Muscle growth itself is gradual, but preventing further loss is an immediate win. Maintaining muscle mass helps protect joints, improves balance, supports metabolism, and reduces the risk of falls and fractures. This is not about bodybuilding, it's about staying capable, confident, and independent as you age. Another important point is that you don't need expensive supplements to support muscle growth at night. While protein powders can be helpful in some cases, whole foods provide additional nutrients that supplements often lack. Whole foods also tend to be more satisfying and easier to incorporate into daily routines. If you do use supplements, they should complement, not replace real food. If you have medical conditions such as kidney disease, diabetes, or digestive disorders, it's important to tailor these recommendations to your situation. Protein needs can vary, and certain foods may not be appropriate for everyone. Always follow personalized advice from your healthcare provider. However, for most healthy seniors, modest increases in high-quality protein, especially at night, are safe and beneficial. Let's quickly bring this all together. After 60, muscle loss is not inevitable, but it does require intention. Your body is still capable of rebuilding muscle, especially at night, if you give it the right nutrients. Cottage cheese provides slow-digesting casein protein for overnight repair. Greek yogurt offers a blend of proteins, calcium, and gut-supporting probiotics. Eggs deliver complete protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D. Nuts, when used wisely, supply healthy fats and magnesium that support recovery and sleep. Avoid sugary snacks and alcohol at night. Don't go to bed hungry, and aim for consistency rather than perfection. In the end, supporting muscle growth after 60 isn't about doing one dramatic thing. It's about making small, smart choices that add up over time. What you eat before bed is one of those choices that can quietly work for you every single night. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what health topic you want to see next.